friends, my name is Atharv Jaiswal and today I am going to make a bird feeder. First you need a bottle and a box. You need a soldering machine for doing a hole and you need water. Let's start. Stick. Now first I will do a hole. Done. Now I'll fill the water.
You are making bird water feeder. Okay. Hold this.
I'm done with the water filling. Now I will mark the hole.
होल नहीं, वाटर मार्क. जहाँ पे पानी आया है वहाँ पे एक मार्क लगाएंगे अपन. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे अपन को इसके नीचे होल करना है. वाटर लेवल जहाँ पे है.
Now over here also. Over here.
Okay, now stop.
Now stop.
Try.
Now let's check if it automatically fills. See, first I will remove some water when bird drinks some water. Okay, now let's see. It is filling. Yay, it's successful. Okay. And the bubbles over here means it's filling. Let's check. When birds drink water, we don't have to fill it by a mug. It will automatically fill. Let's see. See, it's filling. Yay, my mission is successful. See, my brother's drinking water. Ha 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 ha. Oh, it's taking a bath now. Please like and subscribe.